How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop in the winter wonderland of the lake today. I'm going to show you a little clip of what it was like yesterday morning. I had a little bit of sun and the snow had just finished falling. So I did a little clip showing the lake. Oh man, it was pretty. I want to just show you that clip right now and then I'll be back. Winter wonderland here today. Just thought I'd show you this picture. We had about 4 inches of snow overnight. It was wet snow, kind of hanging on the trees. The lake is not frozen yet, so it's just, well, there's a bit of ice on the lake. And then what happened was all that snow landed on the lake and it's just sort of sitting there and it's slush now, but it looks like a gray, I don't know what. So wasn't that something nice? Man, oh man, that was pretty, eh? The way the sun was glistening over there. But anyway, it's the next day now and we still have all our snow. We got about 4 inches. It's pretty nice, eh? Still looks really nice around here. Wait, I'll show you. It's pretty, eh, with all the snow in the trees. I like that. It would be nice to plow at night now when this is like that. But anyway, I'm getting too old to plow at night, although I love to plow snow at night. But anyways, I've made a version 2. I have 2 wings now on my snow plow. So I'm going to plow today. I'm going to plow with the lane, but I don't need wings to do that. But when it comes time to plow off my landing, I'm going to put both wings on the blade and we'll see how they work with my modifications for version 2. So let's stop talking and start plowing, eh? So just before I start plowing, I want to show you, what does that look like? Yep, balonies. They're coming back from, I think they come out from under the Bronco. Come along here. I bet you they're in that thicket there under by the power pole. Balonies, boys, they're here in numbers. All right, I'm going to try and put the wings on now. See how we make out. Clear the snow off them. You need a hammer too. I'm going to put the air clips in. And the brace. All right, there's one. That didn't take long, did it? I forgot the clips. Go. In the brace. I've rounded over the ends of these braces too, Ada, so that there'd be no danger of getting caught up in them. All right, that didn't take long to put them on. Kind of impressed with that. I like that. Maybe, depends how it works. Maybe I can put clips up here too instead of having nuts and bolts. But now this is kind of heavy, wet snow, hard to plow here today. And it's clumpy, so it's going to be a good test for these. If I can plow this kind of snow with these wings without breaking them or damaging them, then I think it'll be a good improvement. But if I do damage them or break them, well, I'll have to go back to the drawing board and rethink it all, I guess. But let's try pushing some snow. Okay, look at that. Those wings are just as solid as anything. The skis, boys, I'm glad I put those skis on there. Let me check this other wing. You know what, that's wobbling a little bit, but not really bad, eh? And this snow is not the greatest for plowing today. It's kind of sticky. So, I don't know, I'm liking these. But as you saw, I would plow, then back up and just clean up the windrow, say on the right hand side, and then come back and plow and then clean up the windrow on the right. Whereas without the wings, I'd have windrows on the right and the left hand side that I'd have to clean up. So I think this is a big improvement. I really like these wings. I don't know, as the winter goes on, I might find some issues with them that may need to get resolved, but for now I think this is great. Putting those skis on the bottom here, I think that's a big help. Moving these braces out as far as I did, that certainly helps it, because even this wing here, as loose as it is, you can see how it's trying to pivot this whole brace up out of the way. But hopefully that's going to hold on back there good. So yeah, good mod, I like it. Well, I'm pretty excited about this snow pusher mod. It's working out pretty good, I think. You know, with the snow we had here today was kind of a mixture of kind of icy, slushy, and then fluffy snow. And the wings, they stayed right there, good and solid. They didn't flare out or anything. They worked really good. And although, like, there was probably, I don't know, maybe 5 inches, 6 inches of snow maybe in total. So it was kind of falling over the wing there a little bit, if you saw that on the right hand side. So I had to go back and clean up that windrow. But it's nowhere near as bad as what it used to be. So like, it took me probably half as long to plow the landing as it normally does. So that's a big win for me too. That's what I was after. The angle iron on the bottom of the wings, I think that's a big improvement too. That's going to really help those wings last at least for the winter, I hope. And the wings are good and solid on the blade. I like that. I like the way they're mounted. It makes them easy to put on and really easy to take them off too. You can do it quick. And that was another thing I was after. So I think I scored positive on all the categories I was after when I started making my snow pusher mod. So let me know what you think. Do you think this is a good mod? Do you think it's worthwhile? You know, turning your snow plow into a snow pusher, it's not impossible. Anybody can do it if I can do it. So check it out. Thanks for watching, folks. Sure hope you're having a great week wherever you are, and we'll talk to you soon.